Okay, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to change a color in a CTB file in Autocad. So first for that, let's say this is my thing that I want to plot, and I want to change this white color to let's say red color. Okay, so how to change in that CTB file? So first you have to open the plotter. The shortcut is, of course, Control P. If you don't know, check out my last videos. So you have to go to this option right over here, which says Edit. In that, you have to choose the color that our will be default color. Let's say blue. We have a color, and blue we want to change it to green. Okay, so that's it. You just need to change the color right over here. It is written color, and here you can edit. So save and close, and then select window. If you don't know how to do the plotting, I have made a different video for that, so go and check that out too. And that's it. I'll like this. AutoCAD was ACAD 1. Yes. Change blue to green. Save close. And here we'll do a preview. So as you can see over here, the blue color has been changed to green. So that was that simple. And that's all you need to do to change the color in a CTB file. So thank you for watching and share it with someone who may need it.